Good morning, Gucci. Welcome back.
Good morning, Miss Nina.
Good morning, Mumu. Good morning, Miss Nina. Good morning, Sally. All right, class. I'm going to take a roll now. Gucci.
Here.
Sally. Here. Mumu.
Here.
Jake. I think one student didn't come today.
Is this classroom number D21?
Jake, you're late to class. Go sit down right now.
Okay, sorry.
It's the first day of school and you're already late. This is unacceptable. First of all, I would like to say the coronavirus is over.
Ew, you're gross, Gucci. What?
Now we don't have to wear a mask in the classroom. I hope you guys learned everything from last week that I taught you.
Oh, she's gonna take your phone.
Question is, Jake,
What?
put that phone away.
Oh, what the heck? What happened to him?
Pay attention, Jake. Now hand me my stick back.
Here you go, Miss Nina.
Jake, what's 3 times 6?
9?
Wrong. That's what I mean. Pay attention. What's 24 divided by 3?
8.
Gucci, your turn. What's 2 times 4?
Wait, I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
If the coronavirus is over, does that mean we can cough now?
Of course you guys can cough now, but just don't fart in my classroom like you did last time. I farted.
Take that, Mumu.
Oh yeah? Take this one. Hey, that's enough coughing on each other. Now pay attention. 2 times 4 equals 8.
Ew, did you sneeze on me? Take this.
I said stop coughing, Gucci, or I'm gonna write your name on the board.
I don't care. Do it.
Sit down, Gucci. No! Yeah, take that. Oh my god, ew, that's nasty.
Haha, take that.
Breaking news, coronavirus is spreading again. Please wear a mask and stay 6 feet apart. And also, don't cough on anybody and spread your dirty germs. This is Channel 5 News. Mumu signing out. Ew, you guys sprayed your dirty germs on me. Uh-oh. Oh.
Ow.
Take that.
Ow, my butt. No.
Take that.
Oh. No, please, I'm sorry. Ugh. Bye, Miss Nina.
Bye, Miss Nina. They got wrecked. Hold on. I think you guys are forgetting somebody.
Ow. Ow.
Please stay safe, guys. Wear a mask and don't spread any dirty germs. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Now we don't have to wear masks anymore. Jake!
What?
Oh.
What happened to him?
Of course you guys can. I was about to say fart. Okay.
Can you just get this over with our last one?
Go.
Take that, Gucci.